everybody, it's Julie Marie, and I'm here in my workplace for wellness, also the Protective Diet Test Kitchen. And this is an oldie but goodie night. I'm really trying to improve my food satisfaction with gyros, gyros, whatever you call them. To me, these are a taste of home growing up in Glenview, Illinois. They're just like remade, plant-based, oil-free, of course, on a protective diet, just like the works, just like Photos in Glenview, just like, where else did we go? Moondoggies, of course, for those of you that grew up in my area or from Chicago. Gyros were a big part of my childhood and part of my adulthood. So I wanted to show you how I layer these up with my Protective Diet tzatziki sauce. These are a free recipe on a protective diet. And then we also have, we've got to top it with onions. Well, heavy on the onions, and tomatoes. That's how it was growing up for me. And then I also like to add a little bit of shredded lettuce. That's something that I prefer. Definitely not something you have to do if you want it all authentic. Some places did it that way. And then I have dill rice. I love dill rice. And this time I made it spicy with my pickled pepper rings ferment brine. I have that on the side. I'm sure I'll be back for more, and a second one of these. And then I want to also show you what else we're having. We're having a really simple mixed green salad. It doesn't get easier than this. And I tossed it with some 18-year aged white balsamic. Just put it in a big bowl, tossed it up straight out of the mixed greens box. And watermelon for dessert. I've been picking up these baby watermelons. They've been on sale everywhere recently, and they've been excellent. Super crispy and crunchy. Check out those little mini watermelons. And then in the test kitchen, I've been working on, I can't remember if it was Lois that requested this, maybe someone can tell me. They wanted a remake of the Indulgent Tea Chocolate Rooibos. This, I believe, was discontinued. It went up so high in price because of the vanilla. It's got smooth vanilla notes, and you wanted a loose tea version of it. So I've been working on this over and over, and here I always drink it latte style, and I remember drinking this over and over when I was in the hospital having my brain surgeries. That was when this became popular in our community. And so when I sipped on this, it reminded me of my recovery and feeling good at Sharp Memorial. And I just wanted to let you know we're close with this one. And then I've also been working on extracts all day and for the past couple months, and I'm gonna have those out to you soon so that we can use them in our nice creams and in all our baked goods. And I'm really excited for some future surprises from there. Check out my ferment shelf. My olives are incredible. I fermented these on November 1st, and they're just getting to be like the gourmet olives at the Olive Bar. They taste amazing and nothing like a canned olive. And I have my ruby rock kraut, I have my fermented cranberries, probiotic poppers I call those, and of course I have my fermented salsa going here, tomatoes, tomatillos, and garlic and onions, and I roasted those. Check and look for ginger in bulk because it's in season now, and I'm seeing a lot of bulk ginger. I just picked this up from the store yesterday. I need to wash this up, let it dry, and get it in my freezer so that it's handy and ready for me. So take care, everybody. Jerry, it's time to eat. Okay. Hope you're having a good evening. Best of health.